Hey everyone, welcome back to TV Fix. Today we're starting a new tutorial. How to install a software update Bush TV UK. Press the home button on your remote. Scroll to Settings and scroll along to System. Then press OK. Scroll to More and press OK. Scroll to Software Upgrade and press OK. The TV will need to be connected to the internet. Scroll to Scan for Upgrade and press OK. Wait as your TV searches for new software upgrades. If upgrades have been found, follow the on-screen instructions. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching TV Fix.